I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Brizy Form. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Action Moxie CRM. Give here an API URL and API key. So go to the Moxie CRM website dashboard, Workspace Settings, Connected Apps, Integrations. Enable Custom Integration. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Also, copy the API URL, only the name part, and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Moxie CRM site and go to Clients and Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Moxie CRM site. Thanks for watching.